Hi guys! Welcome sa Ziplayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on rounding numbers, no? And from the previous two videos, pinag-aralan natin yung mga rules, no? Or steps in rounding numbers to the nearest place value, no? Na ini-specify natin. No? So, for example, in the first number, we have to round 489 to the nearest 100, no? So, unang-una, sabi sa rules o sa steps ay dapat hanapin muna natin yung place value digit na specified. No? For example, here, the specified place value digit ay 100. No? So, therefore, hahanapin natin dito. We have, this is the tens place, this is the, this is the ones place, this is the tens place, and this is the hundreds place. So, therefore, yung 4 yun yung ating hundreds place. No? Doon tayo magra-round. By the way, before ang tawag dyan round off, no? But I think pinalitan na siya. Just simply round. So for 89, pangalawa, we look at the digit to the right of the specified or the specific place value. No? Ang 8, sabi natin sa rule ay pag 0 to 4, hindi natin papalitan tong place value digit natin. No? But 5 to 9, papalitan natin siya, we increase by 1. No? So we increase by 1. Tapos yung lahat ng digit sa kanan, no? Nung pinalitan natin ang digit or the place value digit will be replaced with zeros. No? So bawat isang digit papalitan ng 0. So therefore, the answer here, if you round 489 to the nearest 100, we get 500. No? Now, of course, the rules apply to every place value. No? Pwedeng rounding to the nearest hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, millions, billions, trillions. No? Pareho lang naman yung rule because you have to locate the place value digit. No? So second example, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, round 1,436 to the nearest hundreds. Nasa 100 pa rin tayo, we have 1, 2, 3, 6. So, ang hundreds place natin ay siyempre yung pangatlong digit from the right. And the next digit is just 3. No? So, papaguhin pa natin to? No, kasi yung next digit o yung digit to the right is less than 5. So, pag 4, 3, 2, 1, this digit remains. And all the digits to the right, of course, replaced by 0, replaced with zeros. So meaning the answer here is 1,200. Next, we have 6,382 to the nearest 100. 6,382. So yung ating, we round here, hundreds digit. The next digit is 8. Therefore, we add 1 dun sa 3. And replace the 8 and 2 with zeros. Meaning, if you round 6,382 to the nearest 100, we have, the answer will be 6,400. In this case, yung sa baba naman ay we have to the nearest 1,000 naman. So, again, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So, dito, ang ating nira-round naman ay to the nearest 1,000. And yung next digit is 6, which means that we add 1 to the thousands digit. We have 8, and then we replace everything with 0. Every digit with 0. So, 8,000 yung sagot natin dito. Okay, so I think medyo natutunan nyo na yung pag-round ng numbers, no? I think sa susunod na video natin, pag-aaralan naman natin kung paano mag-round ng numbers with decimals. So, kasi ito puro whole numbers na tayo dito sa first 3 videos natin. So, abang-abangan nyo na lang, no? I'll see you in the next tutorial. By the way, bago tayo magtapos, gusto ko yung invite sa ating YouTube channel, no? Yung youtube.com/user/ziplayanph. subscribe kayo, no? And then our Facebook page, pwede nyo i-like. And pwede nyo rin bastahin yung ating website. No? Nandiyan nakalista yung ating mga videos, no? Na yung link. So kung gusto nyo panoorin na sunod-sunod, mas maganda na dito kayo mag-visit. If you like this video, please hit the like button and I'll see you in the next tutorial.